A survey was sent to 2,823 businesses. 228 responses were received. Responses were received from what percent of businesses? Round your answer to the nearest whole percentage. Well, so we had 428 out of 2823. Well, the easiest way to do it is just divide it. So to set that up, it'd be 428 point, put the point here, 002823. So how many times does 2,823 go into 4,000? So it's 1. Just trying to prove it's really not that hard to divide here. Carry, so it's 7, drop the 0. So 7 minus 2 is 5, borrow over here. So you have 12 minus 8 is 4. So then how many times does this go into this? Well, 2 times 7 is going to be 16, because 2 times 7 would get us over this. So 6 times 3 is 18. 12, carry the 1, that's 48, 49, so 12, uh-oh, I'm over, aren't I? So that's unfortunate. I wish I had guessed a little bit better, because 6 times 2 is 12, plus 4 is 16, I'm over. So, I know it's a 5. So it's 15%, so 5 times 3 is 5, carry the 1, 11, carry the 1, that's 41, carry the 4, ah, shoot. So I should have only erased this piece. This is getting to be an ugly video, I'm sorry about that. So you have 5, carry the 1, 11, carry the 1, that's 40, carry the 1, 41. Okay, and you know what? This difference over here is definitely going to be less than half of that. So the answer is just going to be 15%, because you're going to end up rounding down. So it's 15%. All right, if the area of a square is 128, I need to move this up a little bit. And what is the measure of its diagonal? Aha. Well, the trick here is this times this is equal to 128. So x squared is equal to 128, right? Well, the Pythagorean theorem says that, so this is the square root of 128, right? So the Pythagorean theorem says that a squared plus b squared is equal to c squared. It also says, for special case triangles that are right triangles with a 45-degree angle, that the hypotenuse is a times root 2. So we have the square root of 128 times the square root of 2. So that would give us the square root of 2 times 8 is 16, carry the 1, 2 times 2 is 4, 5. So it's the square root of 256. Now that is a perfect square number, luckily for us. This is the square root of, it's either 16, or I think it's 16, or 18, but I'll double check. It is 16, and that's how you do it. Finally, number 11. I made some notes here. So this is a permutation, 5 and 3. So we end up using the equation 15 factorial over 12 factorial, which will just end up being 15 times 14 times 13, which is 15 times 14 times 13, 2730. However, order doesn't matter, so we have to treat it as a permutation, so that's